It's no secret that on highly complex construction projects, not everything goes to plan. Clashes, rework and delays caused by misaligned installations can cause severe and costly delays on these projects. Costs because of errors made on site can accumulate, potentially costing up to 21% of the project's budget. As we all work towards a net zero carbon future, every project team must focus on reducing these margins of error. Complex, high-tech, pharma and biopharma projects must be delivered on time and on budget. To achieve this, project teams must embrace modern methods of construction. Introducing Geospatial Management, a process that connects and informs project stakeholders, allowing them to make decisions with confidence and at a cadence that meets the project requirements. Verified geospatial data serves as a single source of truth, which empowers decisions and reduces risk on every project, delivered through bespoke data hosting platforms accessed on multiple devices. The process ensures that design intent matches as-built conditions, enabling informed decision-making across the project lifecycle. The site-based geospatial team act as an independent stakeholder with impartial judgment. They cut through uncertainty, coordinating and verifying all geospatial data on the project. Geospatial management aims to improve visibility, reduces risk, and achieve project scheduled milestones. Its deployment on projects in Ireland and across Europe has already saved thousands, reducing rework, delays, and material costs. On one particular project, a verified €500,000 were saved. Murphy Geospatial captures, collates, verifies, and governs geospatial data, enabling clients to make strategic decisions with confidence, reducing risk across the project or asset lifecycle. To find out more, contact our experienced and dedicated geospatial team in Cork. Contact us at our Cork office.